We're here today to fix the water leak. The customer has a leak, but we can't find it out in the yard. He just wanted a new line put in, so meter is out here. Called Miss Utility. They come out and located that, but they haven't located this telephone line. So the old line goes up underneath that garage. So we're gonna shut the water off and dig up through here. Take our concrete saw. We're gonna cut one cut on the other side of this line all the way across. Stub it up underneath through the foundation over there. The hooks to the home right on the other side of that wall right there. What we like to use is 3/4 CTS. CTS stands for copper tube size. And, what we'll do, this is a 2-inch water line we had left over from another job. And what we'll do is we'll run it from underneath the foundation over to the other side of that driveway. That way, if he ever has another leak, has to replace the line, and all he has to do is dig it up out there, cut it off underneath the house, and just shove it through. He did mention maybe coming back and pouring a new driveway, so that way you don't have to cut the driveway out anymore. I'm going to show you why you always dig slow and easy. Customer said that there wasn't any lines going to the garage. Well, he wasn't 100% sure. Obviously, because right there's, that's electric going into the garage. So what we're going to do is we'll run our line right beside that. So So the reason we turned the pipe around is the bell is pointing this way. That way when we're shoving our 3/4 inch line up through there, it won't be snagging on that lip of that pipe. It should just go right up on through there. So here we're unrolling our 3/4 CTS, which means copper tube size. So the diameter of this pipe is the same as copper, 3/4 inch copper. So we're gonna roll it out. It's kind of cold, so it's kind of stiff. So I'm rolling it out down through there, and Shane's gonna run it up through the 2 inch and up underneath the house, and we'll hook it up right there underneath the house. We'll replace the valve. Anytime we put a new water service in, and we go up underneath and tie it into the first connection there at the house, we always go ahead and replace that valve underneath the house. Usually they're a gate valve, and you look at them wrong and they start leaking. So we change them out with a new ball valve, and running it out here to the meter. Cut it off and hook it to the fitting outside the meter, about 5 foot. We used to run these up into the meter, and the water company asked us to quit doing that. Not because they don't want us fooling with their meter, but they need a point of separation outside the meter. So they have a pigtail of about 5 foot, and then a fitting, and then so the homeowner can mess with it after that fitting. Keeps them from getting in their meter boxes, tearing stuff up. So we'll hook it up out the meter and start covering it up. say this went pretty well. Went from the meter, all new line, no connections at all until you get up underneath the house. So pretty much guarantee that if they have a leak and you look at the fittings underneath the house and down at the meter, that if they're not leaking, then you know you got a hole in the line somewhere. So now he'll be able to concrete his driveway and not have to worry about ever having to do this ever again if his water line leaks. So, on to the next one.